Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have this question and we have to solve this question for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, we will put under root x plus 3 equals to y. So let's put it. So after putting under root x plus 3 equals y, so this equation will become 8y minus 1 over y equals 2, like this. And now we will take LCM of this on this left side. So after taking LCM, this y will multiply with this and it will become 8y square minus this y will cancel this, and here the remaining term will be 1, which is equal to 2. Now we will multiply this y with this 2. So the whole equation will become 8y square minus 1 equals 2y. And now we will send this 2y on other side of the equation. So the equation will become 8y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. And now we will factorize this. So we can write this equation as 8y square minus 4y plus 2y, because this minus 4y plus 2y again equals to minus 2y. And similarly, if we multiply this, so it will become minus 8y square, which is according to condition, and then minus 1 equal to 0. Now here in these two terms, we will take 4y as common, and here in these two terms we will take 1 as common. So let's take common. So after taking 4y common, the remaining term will be 2y over here and remaining term will be 1 over here. So 2y minus 1 plus, we will take 1 as common, so we can write this as 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Now in these two terms, one is this and one is this. 2y minus 1 is common, so we will take this 2y minus 1 as common. So after taking this 2y minus 1 as common, the remaining term over here is 4y and here is 1. So 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Now we will compare these two terms one by one with 0. So it means that 2y minus 1 equals to 0 and 4y plus 1 equal to 0. So let's do it. 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we will send this minus 1 on other side of the equation, and here we will send this plus 1 on the other side of equation. So it will become 2y equals to 1 and 4y equal to 1. And then if we divide here 2 on both sides, so it will become y is equal to 1 divided by 2. And here if we divide by 4 on both sides, so this will become y equal to minus 1 divided by 4, like this. Y equal to 1 divided by 2 and y equal to minus 1 divided by 4. So this is the value of y. Now, as you know, we have supposed this under root x plus 3 equal to y. So now we will put the value of y one by one. First we will put this value and then we will put this value to determine the value of x. So let's first we put this y equal to 1 divided by 2. So when y equal to 1 divided by 2, put over here. So this will become under root x plus 3 equal to 1 divided by 2. Now we will take square on both sides. So let's take square on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, this square will cancel this square root. So it will become x plus 3, and this will become 1 square equal 1 and 2 square equal to 4. So this will become 1 divided by 4. So x plus 3 equals 1 divided by 4. Now we will send this plus 3 on other side of the equation. So this will become x is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3. And now we will take LCM. So after taking LCM, this 4 will divide this 4. So the remaining term will be 1. And here this 4 will multiply with this 3. So 4 times 3 equal to 12. So 1 minus 12 equal to minus 11 divided by 4, which is the final value of x. So one value of x is minus 11 divided by 4. And for the other value, we will put y equal to minus 1 divided by 4, as we have proved the value or the second value of y was minus 1 divided by 4, and then we took square on both sides here when x is equal to minus 1 divided by 4. So after taking square, this square will cancel this square root, so this will become x plus 3 and this will become 1 divided by 16. So x plus 3 equal to 1 divided by 16. This minus 1, this minus will eliminate because minus 1 when multiply with minus 1, so minus multiplying minus equal plus. So overall this will become x plus 3 equal to 16, 1 upon 16. Now we will send this plus 3 on the other side of equation. So this will become x is equal to 1 divided by 16 minus 3, and after taking LCM, this 1 remains over here, and this 16 will multiply with this 3. 16 times 3 equal to 48. So 1 minus 48 equal to minus 47 divided by 16. This is the second value of x. So now we have the solution of this of the given question of the original question is we have two values for x. One is minus 11 divided by 4 and second is minus 47 divided by 16. But after taking final decision, let's verify these two values one by one. So for verification, we will take this original equation which was given for the solution. Now we will put this minus 11 divided by 4 in place of x. So if we have x is equal to minus 11 divided by 4, so let's put this value over here. So let's put it. So this minus 11 divided by 4 and here this minus 11 divided by 4. So now we will take LCM. So after taking LCM here, this will become minus 11 and this 4 will multiply with this. This will become 12. So minus 11 plus 12 and similarly minus 11 plus 12 divided by 4 over here. So minus 11 plus 12 equals 1. So 1 divided by 4 over here and 1 divided by 4 over here. So add square root 1 divided by 4 minus 1 upon square root 1 divided by 4 equals 2. And now the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. And similarly, the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. So these both values will come out of the square root. So this will become 1 divided by 2. That is 8 into 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 divided by 2 equals 2, like this. 8 1 divided by 2 because this both values will come out of the square root, and similarly these both values will come out of the square root, which is equal to 2. Now this 2 and 4 times 2 equals 8, so this will cancel. So here the remaining term will be 4, and similarly this is division and this is also division. So in this case, this 1 divided by 2 will flip and this 2 will go up, and overall it will become 2. So here 4 and here 2 equals 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2 means that 2 equals 2. So it means that this value satisfy the condition, the equation. So it means that it is our true value for of x. Now we have proved that this minus 11 divided by 4 satisfies the condition or equation. Now we will try for minus 47 divided by 16. So now we will put this minus 47 divided by 16 in the given equation. So when x is equal to minus 47 divided by 16. So this was our original equation. Now we will put x is equal to minus 47 divided by 16. So let's put it over here. After putting this, so this equation will become, first of all, we will take 16 as LCM, and after taking 16 as LCM, here minus 47 and 16 times 3 equal to 48, and similar is the case over here. So this minus 47 plus 48 equal 1. So 1 divided by 16 and similarly 1 divided by 16. So overall this equation will become 8 into 1 divided square root 1 divided by 16 minus 1 divided by square root 1 divided by 16. So again, these two values when come out of the root, because the square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 16 is 4, and similar is the case over here. So this will come out of the square root and will become 1 divided by 4, like this. 8 into 1 divided by 4, and this 1 divided by 1 divided by 4 equal to 2. Now this again, this 1 divided by 4 will flip, and this 4 will go up, and overall this will become 4. And similarly here, this 4 when divide this 8, so it will become 2. So overall 2 minus 4 equal to 2 minus 4 equal to 2. So 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2, which is not equal to 2. So it means that this value doesn't satisfy the condition. So now when we check this this value for on the original equation, so it's satisfied, and this value doesn't satisfy the condition, so it means that this is not the root. So we will cancel this. So it means that final conclusion is this: we have solution set, that is value of x is equal to minus 11 divided by 4. This is our answer, and this value, this is an extraneous root. This is our true solution, real solution, and minus 47 divided by 16 is an extraneous root. So if you don't know about extraneous root is that one when you solve uh, radical equation, and then when you put the value, the real solution, the real root, when you put in the plug back in the original equation, then it doesn't satisfy the original equation. So that kind of root is called extraneous root. So therefore minus 47 divided by 16 doesn't satisfy, so it is called extraneous root. So this is our extraneous root, and the solution of the question is minus 11 divided by 4, which is verified. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any kind of questions, so you can ask me in the comment section. Tata, goodbye.